people get the chance to see with their own eyes the unique and rich variety of marine life that lies beneath the surface of this amazing waterway. Even experienced divers may not see some of the rare animals discovered by experts such as marine biologists. Explore this unique blue backyard in the comfort of your own home. Witness firsthand the beauty of the soft coral and the role it plays in local marine life. This section of the New South Wales coast is part of the Port Stephens Great Lakes Marine Park, which stretches from Foster to Stockton Beach. The marine park contains many habitats supporting a rich variety of marine plants and animals, making it important to protect. These soft coral gardens, often referred to as cauliflower corals, are unique and have helped put Port Stephens on scuba divers' list of special places to visit. This is possibly the only location to contain such a large abundance of this species of soft coral. Researchers from New South Wales Marine Parks Authority, in partnership with the University of Technology Sydney and the Hunter Central Rivers Catchment Management Authority, filmed this unique habitat as part of a research program. Brian Hughes, the CMA's Catchment Officer Coastal Marine, worked closely with the marine biologists who mapped the soft coral as part of a research program. Brian can explain just how and why this research was conducted.
The researchers mapped the area by getting all their scuba gear on and either diving from the shore or from one of the marine parks vessels. And so that scuba gear allowed them to take their video cameras underwater and film the seabed and record those areas where there was soft coral growing. They also towed a GPS at the surface, which allows them to accurately record where each piece of video footage is coming from, and then they can map all the soft coral abundance within this area. Part of the project was to look at the impacts of marine debris in this area. So there was a couple of objectives to look at the importance of the habitat and also one of the potential impacts of marine debris. One of the other interesting features about this type of soft coral is obviously it looks a bit like a cauliflower, so it's quite a complex shape of the animal, and that provides little spaces for things like the juvenile snapper and the other species to hang on to and to hide in amongst, and that's one of its important characteristics and why we think it's such a high value habitat. People that have been diving in this area had seen that seahorses and pipefish were using the soft corals as habitat, and that was one of the things that prompted the more research into exactly which species the soft coral was habitat for. So in addition to them, there's anglerfish and juvenile snapper also find the soft coral a really good habitat, and the soft coral was shown to have a really important role with supporting that biodiversity.
We all need to think about how we can protect this beautiful underwater environment. Boaters and fishers need to make sure they anchor away from soft coral habitats and take all pieces of fishing line and gear back to shore for proper disposal. Whether we're out on a boat or having fish and chips on the shore, we can all do the right thing and put our rubbish in the bin. And if there is no bin, we take our litter home. Next time we are down at the beach and looking out to sea, spare a thought for what lies beneath this blue backyard. Also, spare a thought for what we can all do to make sure that what lies beneath the surface is protected from harmful impacts, such as marine debris, fishing line, and anchors.